Hey my beautifuls, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of the diamond face shape, what it is, how to tell if you have it, and the absolute best beauty tips to make your features shine. So whether you're not sure what your face shape is or you're a diamond girly and didn't even know it, stick around, this video will change how you see your face forever. So first things first, what even is a diamond face shape? Your cheekbones are the widest part of your face. Your forehead and jawline are more narrow. Your chin is pointed, and the overall face length is slightly longer than it is wide. Basically, your face is giving glamorous cheekbone sculpture realness. You're in good company too. Celebs like Rihanna, Megan Fox, Keira Knightley, and Halle Berry are all diamond face shape queens. Now, how to know if you have a diamond face? Let's test it out. Grab a mirror and trace your face outline with something erasable or just observe. Ask yourself, are your cheekbones the widest part of your face? Is your chin pointed, not rounded or square? Is your hairline a little narrower than your cheeks? If you answered yes to most of these, hello, diamond face. Best haircuts for diamond faces. Now let's talk hair, because the right cut can make a diamond face absolutely dazzle. Go for layers that add width at the chin, think shoulder length or longer. Side-swept bangs are your BFF, they soften the angles. Deep side parts add drama and balance. Avoid super short pixies with volume at the crown. Center parts with flat sides, they can make your face look longer. Pop in a few celeb inspo pics here, Megan Fox, Rihanna, etc. Best makeup for diamond faces. To best flatter a diamond-shaped face with makeup, focus on highlighting the forehead, jawline, and the apples of the cheeks while contouring the cheekbones and chin to create a more balanced and oval appearance. Here's how to bring harmony to your features. Contouring. Lightly contour below your cheekbones, no need to overdo it, girl, you already got angles. Apply contour underneath the pointiest part of the chin to make it appear less narrow. Highlighting. Forehead, apply a lighter shade of concealer or highlighter to the sides of the forehead, near the hairline, to create width and balance. Jawline, gently highlight the lower jawline to add fullness and soften the pointed chin. Cheeks, apply highlighter to the apples of the cheeks, slightly inside the blush application, to emphasize the cheekbones. Chin, add a small amount of highlighter to the tip of the chin to make it appear wider. Bridge of the nose. Apply a thin line of highlighter down the bridge of the nose to add dimension. Highlight your forehead and jawline to bring more balance. Brows. A soft arch works best, don't go too pointy, it'll exaggerate the sharpness. Blush. Apply blush on the apples of your cheeks and sweep outward to soften the bone structure and blending it towards the temples to add a healthy glow and soften the angles of the face. Eyes. Cat eyeliner? Yes. This elongates and flatters your eyes perfectly. Best accessories and style tips. For diamond-shaped faces, accessories that add width to the forehead and jawline are key. This can be achieved with earrings like teardrops, hoops, or chandelier styles that widen at the bottom, and necklaces that are delicate and not too long. Hats, like fedoras or berets, worn slightly back on the head, can also create balance. Earrings. Choose medium to long dangle earrings or teardrops. Avoid overly wide hoops, they can make the cheek area look wider. Necklaces. Shorter necklaces, chokers or shorter necklaces that sit higher on the collarbone can be flattering. Delicate chains, thin, delicate necklaces help draw the eye down and balance the face. Avoid very long, heavy necklaces, these can overwhelm the face and make it appear longer. Hats. Medium-brimmed hats, fedoras, outback hats, or bozeman hats can add volume and balance. Hats worn slightly back, placing the hat slightly further back on the head helps balance the width of the cheekbones. Beanies and berets, these can also add volume to the back of the head. Sunglasses. Oval or cat eye shapes are chef's kiss. Steer clear of narrow rectangle shades, they clash with your angles. Necklines. Scoop necks, off-shoulder, and V-necks are perfect for elongating and balancing your silhouette. Bonus, embracing your face shape. Listen, every face shape is beautiful, and yours is uniquely you. The diamond shape is known for elegance, drama, and high cheekbone glam. Don't be afraid to play it up. These tips aren't about changing yourself, they're about enhancing what you already have. You're not hiding anything, you're highlighting the magic. Alright my loves, now you know everything you need to slay with your diamond face shape. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite diamond feature-friendly hairstyle or makeup tip? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a glow-up moment with me. See you in the next one, and remember, you're already a gem, just polish and shine.